Hi friends, welcome to Groovy Max. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a 5-digit number by another 5-digit number using Vedic Max. Come. The sutra used for multiplication of any two numbers of any number of digits. Now we are going to see for 5-digit number is Urdhavat Rekhyam, which means vertically and crosswise. Okay. Come, how to solve the 5-digit multiplication? I have a 5-digit number. I'm going to multiply it by another 5-digit number. In vertically and crosswise multiplication, we are starting from the last digit number and completing with the first digits, isn't it? So I'll be initially considering only the first last digit, single digit number. For single digit multiplication, I'll be going for vertical multiplication. The single digit, for single digit, I'll be multiplying only vertically. Okay, next, for step 2, what I'll be doing? Step 2, I'll be considering the last two digits of my numbers. For two digit numbers, I'll be going for crosswise multiplication like this. Okay, then again for three digit numbers, I'll be going for I'm considering only these three digits. I don't care about these first two digits, only the last three digits. So this will be considered as the first digit and this will be considered as the last digit. These two digits will be multiplied crosswise and the middle digit will be multiplied vertically. Okay. And for fourth digit, I'll be considering only the last four digit of my numbers. So the four for this number will be considered the first digit and this number will be considered the last digit. These two digits will be multiplied crosswise and the middle two digits will also be multiplied crosswise. For four digit multiplication, I'll be using two crosswise multiplications. Okay. Okay. Till this we have seen earlier, isn't it? In our two digit multiplication, three digit, four digit multiplication videos, we have seen it already. Now, for five digits, what I'm going to do? The same thing I'm going to do for five digits. See, I will be multiplying the first digit of my number and the fifth last digit of my number crosswise, second and fourth digit again on crosswise, and the middle third digit number vertically. Okay, first and last digit crosswise, second and fourth digit crosswise, and the middle number will be multiplied vertically. Am I clear? Okay, I have completed all the five digits. What I have to do? Then I have to reduce the digits. I started with the single digit, I have to end with the single digit. Now, after completing, achieving for all the five digit number, I'm going to reduce it. So, next step will be for the first four digit numbers. Again, for first four digit, two crosswise, first digit and four digit crosswise, and second and third digit again another crosswise. And next step two, sorry, step seven, I'll be considering the first three digits. So first three digits, first digit and third digit, I'll be multiplying crosswise, and second digit I'll be multiplying vertically. Okay, next step I'll be considering only the first two digit numbers. For that, for two digit, it is only crosswise. So I'll be multiplying crosswise, and the last step is I'll be considering only the first digit number and I'll be multiplying it only using vertical multiplication. Okay, these are the step by steps which we are going to use for multiplying the answers. So using this, can we see the problems? Come on. 14,235 into 26,843. For step 1, what I'll be doing? I'll be considering the last digits alone. Here, the last digits of 5 and 3, that will be multiplied vertically. So, 5 threes give me 15. Okay, I'll be having only 5 as my last digit answer, and this one will be carried over to the next step. Okay, for step 2, what I'll be doing? I'll be multiplying the last two digit answers crosswise. Last two digit I'll be considering, and that will be multiplied crosswise. So it becomes 3 threes are 9 plus 20, 5 fours are 20, it becomes 29. But I have a 1 as a carryover, so it becomes the answer of this step becomes 30. Okay, adding the carryover. Okay, next step. See, for the next step, I'll be considering the last three digit number. Here, this will be considered as the first and this will be last. So, first and last will be multiplied crosswise and the middle digit will be multiplied vertically. So, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5 times 8 is 40. 46 plus 3 times 4 is 12. So it becomes 58. But I have a carryover of 3 from the previous digit. So I'll be adding to it, it gives me 61. 58 plus 3 gives me 61. Okay. Next step, I'll be considering how many digits? Yeah, four digits we have to consider. So first digit and the last digit of numbers will be multiplied crosswise and the middle two digits will again be multiplied crosswise. For four digits, we'll be doing two crosswise multiplication. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 6 times 5 is 30, 42 plus 4 times 2 is 8, 50 plus 8 times 3 is 24. So it becomes 74. And I have a carryover of 6. Answer I got here is 74. Adding this 6 together, I get it as 80. Okay. The answer of this step is 80 after adding the carryover. Next step is 5 digit. I'll be considering all the 5 digit. Okay. For here, I'll be multiplying the first digit of my numbers with the fifth digit and second digit with my fourth digit, and third digit number will be multiplied vertically. First and fifth digit and second and third digits should be multiplied crosswise. Sorry, second and fourth digit should be multiplied crosswise, and the middle third digit should be multiplied vertically. Okay, is it clear? So now it becomes 1 times 3, 3 plus 5 times 2, 10 plus 16 plus 6 threes are 18 plus 8 twos are 16. It becomes 63. Okay, 63, but I have a carryover of 8. So adding it together, I get it as 71. Okay, is it clear? Okay, come. Next step, what I have to do? I have considered all the 5 steps has been considered here. Now what I have to do? I have to reduce the steps. We started with a single digit number. Now we have come for all the 5 digit numbers. Again, what I have to do? I have to go till the first digit numbers. From last digit number to the first digit single digit multiplication, the process should go on step by step. Now I'm going to reduce it. So next I'll be considering only the first four digit number. So first digit and fourth digit should be multiplied crosswise and second and third digit should again be multiplied crosswise. It becomes 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3 6 10 plus 4 20 sorry 32 plus 4 or 2 times 6 16. So adding up together I get it as 54. Am I correct? Yeah, 54. But I have a carryover of 7 from earlier step, isn't it? So adding it together, I'll get this answer of this step as 61. Okay. Next step. Four digit is completed. Then the next step I am going to consider only the first three digit number. So first digit and third digit are multiplied crosswise and the second digit is multiplied vertically. So 1 times 8, 8, 8 plus 2 times 2 is 4 and 6 times 4 is 24 and it gives me 36 and I have a carryover of 6 here. So 36 plus 6 gives me 42. Okay. Okay, next step what I have to do? Next step I will be considering only the first two digit numbers. Three digits completed. So first two digit number. So two digits will be multiplied. Only one crosswise. So 1 times 6, 6 plus 4, 2 times 8 is uh 2 times 4 is 8. So it becomes 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 4, it gives me carry over. I am adding it, so it gives me 18 over here. Okay, 14 is the added answer, and I get after adding the carry over, I get 18 as this step's answer. Okay, for next step, last step, this is isn't it? So because I'll be considering only the first digit answers. For first digit, I'll be going for vertically cross multiplication. So 1 times 2 gives me 2. I have a carryover of 1. So adding it together, becomes 3. So what will be my answer here? 38211005. So 14,235 into 26,843 gives me 38 38 crores, 21 lakhs, 10,105. Okay, 63821101005. Okay, this is my answer. Okay, come on, let's go to the this 51,582 into 84,379. In step 1, I'll be multiplying the last digits. Last single digits will be multiplied vertically. So it becomes what it becomes 9 twos are it is 18. 9 twos are 18. In next step, what I'll be doing, I'll be considering the last two digits of my numbers for multiplication. So 9 times that will be two digit will be multiplied crosswise. So 9 times 8 is 72 plus 7 times 2 is 14. So my answer will be 86 here. But what I have to do, I have to add the carry over from the last digit, so my answer will become 87. Okay. Okay. What will be the next step? Next step, see here, in the next step, I'll be considering the last three digit numbers. So it becomes first digit of the three digit number, and the last digit should be multiplied crosswise, and the middle digit should be multiplied vertically. So it becomes 5 times 9, 45 plus 7, 3 times 2 becomes 6 plus 8 times 7 becomes 56. So adding it together, it becomes 107. Okay, 107. But I have a carryover. So adding the carryover plus 8, it becomes 107 plus 8 is 115. Okay, this is the answer of this step. For step 4, what I have to do, I'll be considering the last four digit numbers. For the last four digit number, what I have to do, first digit and the last digit should be multiplied vertically, and the middle two digits should be again multiplied vertically. So it becomes 1 times 9, 9 plus 4 times 2, 8 plus 5 times 7 is 35 plus 8 times 3 is 24. So adding it together, it gives me 76. Okay, what I have to do next? Next, I am going to add the carryover from the previous step. The carryover of previous step is 11, so adding it together, it gives me 87. 87 is the answer of the fourth step. So next step, I will be considering all the five digit numbers. See, for five digit multiplication, what I have to do? The first and the fifth digit of my number should be multiplied vertically. Second and the fourth digit should be multiplied again. Sorry, first and the fifth digit should be multiplied crosswise. Second and the fourth digit should again be multiplied crosswise, and the middle third digit, that is the middle digit of that is which is the third digit, that should be multiplied vertically. Okay, so 5 times 9 plus 5 times 9 is 45, 8 times 2 is 16 plus 7 times 1 is 7 plus 8 times 4 is 32 plus 5 times 3 is 15. So adding it together, I will be getting it as I will be getting it as, I think so, it is 115. Yes, isn't it correct? Yeah, it's correct. So I'm getting 115 here. But from the previous step, I have 8 as a carryover. So adding the 8, I'll be getting 123. 123 is my answer of this step. I've considered all the 5 digit number. For the next step, what I have to do? I have to reduce the number of digits now. So from 5 digit, I'll be considering the next step. In the next step, I'll be considering the first four digits. For four digits, double crosswise multiplication. First and fourth digit should be multiplied crosswise, and second and third digit should again be multiplied crosswise. So 5 into 7 35 plus 8 8s are 64 plus 1 times 3 3 and 5 times 4 is 20. So here adding it together, it becomes 122. But I have a carryover of 12, so adding 12 to 122, it becomes 134. Okay, next step, I'll be considering only the first three digit numbers, isn't it? Yeah, three digit, first digit and third digit crosswise, and middle digit it will be in vertically. So 5 times 5, 3 is 15, 8 times 5 is 40, 55 plus 4, it is 59. But I have a carryover of 13 from the previous digit, Adding the 13 to it, I'll be getting it as 72. Okay. For next step, what I have to do? For next step, I'll be multiplying only the first two digits. First two digits will be multiplied only one single crosswise. So it becomes 5 times 4 is 20 and 8 times 1 is 8. So it is 28. I have a carryover of 7. Adding it together, I'll get it as 35. Isn't it? Yeah. Okay, next step, only the first digit. First digit will be multiplied vertically. 5 fours are 40, but I have a carryover of 3 from the previous digit, so it will become 43. Adding the carryover, the answer will be 43. So what will be the answer? 51 582 into 84 379 is equal to 435 to 437,578. Okay, this will this is the answer of this 5 digit number. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please comment or mail me. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.